Marhaba, my name is Henia and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here and you want to learn more about North African cooking, start now by hitting that subscribe button. In North Africa, the word hospitality is not a word, it's a mentality. It's one of the cornerstones of the North African way of life. Guests are always welcome in any area of the country, and in fact when meals are prepared, they always are prepared with the tired traveler and unexpected guests in mind. And you, my dear viewers, are my guests, so I invite you all to my North African kitchen to experience the richly scrumptious cuisine of North Africa. I want to show you all the traditional dishes such as tagines, stews, soups, salads, all using abundant ingredients such as seasonal vegetables, fiery spices, jewel-like dried fruits, and armfuls of fresh herbs that all amplify the effortless nature of cooking. And if you're curious about the name, I'll tell you what it's all about. A tagine is a traditional North African clay pot with a peaked lid and also a slow-cooked, fragrant stew that it's cooked in. Almost every evolved culture has some sort of clay container in which food is cooked slowly and directly on the wood fire. It connects us to our traditions, to the time of simplicity, and also to our past. And the color tadjine symbolizes happiness, intuition, connection, creativity, generosity, love, and balance. And it's also a color that invites one to reflect on one's relationship with the rest of the world. It's a beautiful, classic color for the palette of the Mediterranean. And with these two elements, the Teal Tadjine was born. On this page, we focus on simple yet unique North African cooking, and specifically Algerian. You will find that even though the recipes are simple, the tastes are amazing, so come join me in my kitchen.